Are you looking a single family home, new construction for yourself and also for your in-law, which is you will have a one roof, two separate door or private entrance, which is located in a good community here in Central Florida? Also, a bonus for you, this community has a gated community, a golf course, swimming pool, and such more. Are you ready to see and own this one? Let's go! Hey, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is RJ Bautista, your favorite incredible realtor with LPT Realty, specializing in new construction here in Central Florida. Today in this video, I'm super excited to show you this Riviera by Lennar, and also this is gonna be a multi-gen home or an in-law house with separated entrance. If you are familiar to this kind of multi-gen home by Lennar, it's very good for yourself and also for your in-law, or if anyone who would like to live with you with separate entrance, as you can see at this particular video. So right now we are getting inside of the home, and you will have this entrance with high ceiling there. You will have like a 10-foot ceiling here plus another 2 foot, as you can see it there. And this particular area that we are turning to the right, this is gonna be the access to your in-law or next gen. Okay, they have like different model, but for my favorite one, this is gonna be my favorite model in-law, which is it's not small, it's the medium, but it's not super large, if you know what I mean. So as soon as you come here, you will see it here. This is your in-law house or your next gen room, and you can see it here. This is gonna be the door outside, which is the second door or the separated entrance, and you will have the kitchen here, the dining area here, and also now we are heading to this first bathroom, which is a fully tile shower area with a glass there, and you will have a quartz countertop there as well, and also you will have a quite big shower area here or bathroom here, and this is gonna be your room for your in-law or your next gen room. The size of this bedroom is 13 by 12. As you can see it here, they have a pretty big size here. And also what I love about this is this particular closet. You will have a good closet here that you can use for whoever you're gonna use this property or this particular in-law or next gen room, which is a very ideal. Or what you can do is you can do like a house hacking. If you don't know about the house hacking, which you can have a renter while you're living in the same property, so you can generate income for yourself, right? So this is a very good idea of this particular home. And now we are heading to the next bedroom in the house, and as you can see it here, this another hallway here, and this is gonna be your extra linen closet. And in this particular room, this is gonna be your shared bathroom or the second bathroom of the house. You will have a white quartz countertop there, fully tiled shower area here, and also a tub or a bathtub that you can use, which is really good. And this particular room here is gonna be your bedroom number 2, I would say, because your first bedroom was your next gen bedroom. And here on the bedroom number 2, you have the size of here 11 by 10, which is pretty good size as well. And you will have this double door for your closet that you can use or whoever you're gonna use on this particular bedroom. And now we are heading to this bedroom number 3. The size of this bedroom is 10 by 11. Also have a double door there. What they did here was this particular room, they did an office. So you can use this as an office if you would like to. As you can see it here, they set up as an office, which is a very good for you to use it. And now we are heading to the great room, and also this particular area, which is the bonus room, I would say, or a flex room, an extra room for you to use it, which is very good. But before that, let me just show you this particular area first, where your washer and dryer will be located, and you will have this extra space there for you to use it. So your washer and dryer there will not be included on the sale. However, I can still negotiate if you want me to do that for you. And this is gonna be your access to your AC, and this is gonna be access to your 2-car garage. Okay, also I would like to tell you, in this particular area they allowed a golf cart. All right, very very good. So in this particular room, this is gonna be your flex space, or I would say flex room, which is size of 11 by 14, which is very good. And now we are here in the kitchen area, which is a very spacious area, and I love it because you will have a center island here, quartz countertop, and also a single sink for you to use it. And this particular door there is gonna be your pantry. You will have a pantry there, and also you will have very spacious living space here, and also you will have a nook there, or you can have it for your particular kitchen area. And this is gonna be your living room area, or I would say a family room, which is you will have plenty of space here for yourself, and not just for yourself, and also for your visitor itself, right? So we are heading here outside of the area or of the house. You will have two access here going out, and you will have covered porch here, which you can have a fully covered there for yourself. And this is gonna be the exterior look of your home, which is a very good. And you will also have a pretty good space or lot there for your backyard if you would like to do something at the back, which is very good, very spacious as well. And also you will have this particular windows here for your natural lights coming inside of your home, which is very good. And now this is gonna be your master bedroom with ensuite bathroom and extra height there on your ceiling, which is the size of this one is 14 by 14, very good size, and the height of there is extra 2 foot for your ceiling. And now you will have this ensuite bathroom. You will have two closet here, walk-in closet. This one I'm showing you right now is gonna be her closet, and you will have a single sink here. You will have separated single sink, and in the middle you will have a tub here, or a green tub, which is very good because you will have an extra tub here and also a window there for natural light coming in. And this is gonna be your shower area, which you have a glass there, fully tiles here, a very good setup here for you that you can use it. And now in this particular area you will have a private toilet, and this is gonna be your his closet, walk-in closet. So you will have two closet here if you have a lot of stuff that you need to, so you will have separated there, which is very good. I really love this home because you can use this home for yourself, and also if you are going to live with your in-law, you can use this as well for your in-law, which is very good. You will have a separate entrance for the privacy. And also it's not just that, because if you are planning to live here and you want to make an extra income for yourself, you can buy this and rent out the other side, if that makes sense. Very good. And also in addition, if you're still here, I would like to tell you the distance of this particular community to the Disney World, which is about 13 miles away, or just over 20 minutes, around 27 minutes, depends on the traffic. And also I would like to add here, or additional information, if you like to go to the beach, the closest beach here is the Clearwater, which is the #1 beach here in the Florida. I love Clearwater, and the miles from this community to that beach is about 90 miles. It will take you between an hour and a half to 2 hours. It depends on the traffic itself. Very good. And also I would like to add here, this community is located in Davenport, Florida. I live about 20-25 minutes away from this community. This community has so much things to offer to you because they have a gated community, #1. Second, they have a golf course that you can use once you leave it here. Third one is in the community itself, they have a good swimming pool, actually 2 swimming pools. They have a playground, they have a tennis court as well, and also a gym inside of this particular community. And so much good things about this. And lastly that I would like to add here, they don't have CDD in this particular community, which is a huge savings for yourself if you would like to buy this property in the community itself. This is the video for today. I hope this video is super informative to you, and if you stay in this video until this end, comment down below new home, and I appreciate your time watching my video until this end. And also if you like to know more about this community, feel free text me or DM me to all my social media. And also you can also text me to my work phone, which is this one. Once you get the text from my work phone, I will reply you and try to help you as much as I can. Once again, thank you for watching my video. I'll see you next week to my next video. Make sure to subscribe because we upload here once a week video every Thursday 3 p.m. Eastern time. So make sure to do that one so you will be updated to all new properties, not just new properties here, new communities here in Central Florida. Thank you, and I'll see you on my next video. I'm out. Peace. Bye.